Let's talk about Results Day. Results Day is all about finding out whether you've met your offer and sorting out where you're going for university. Your exam results are sent from the many UK awarding bodies to UCAS, who then sends them on to the universities and colleges holding offers for you. These universities and colleges then decide whether you've met the conditions of their offer, and if you have, they'll confirm your place. This can be viewed in UCAS Track on the morning of Results Day. Here's a list of the things to take with you to Results Day. You want to take your phone, ideally with a calculator function to calculate your module marks, so you might also want to bring your charger. You also want to bring a pen or a pencil and a notepad. You also need your AS results, your UCAS letter with your UCAS number and conditional offer grades, contact details of your firm and insurance offers, a short list of why you'd like to be admitted to each of your offers. Take a look at the websites to get inspiration. Your personal statement, your teacher's reference if you have access to it, and contact details for your referees. If you're concerned you might need to go through clearing, take a laptop or a tablet with you, as it might be easier to view the websites on them. Now let's go through all the possible scenarios that could happen on Results Day, but do check out the accompanying blog post to this video, which provides a more comprehensive overview of what to expect and do on Results Day. Let's start with when you meet your firm offer. If a university confirms your firmly accepted offer, you are committed to taking up that place. Congratulations! Feel free to call your friends and family and share the great news. Your insurance choice, if you have one, becomes redundant. Your confirmed status will be updated in UCAS Track, but that might take a little while. However, if it still hasn't been updated by Monday, ring the university to check that everything's okay. There is nothing else that you need to do at this point. Just wait for your acceptance letter to come in the post. If you don't meet your firm offer, you might still have your place confirmed. This is at the discretion of the university and will depend on a number of factors. For example, how far adrift from the offer your results are the students' exam results, and the popularity of the course. So the first thing to do is to check your status in UCAS Track. If it says you've been accepted, then great! Go ahead and celebrate, and remember to leave the phone lines clear. If UCAS Track still shows your offer is conditional, it's worth you calling the university to talk to them about your application. If you can't find the clearing number for the university, try the admissions office. Make sure you have all the above listed paperwork with you and are prepared to sell yourself to the university by pointing out your good AS grades and informing them of any mitigating circumstances. Finally, some institutions may not allow you to put a case forward to bargain with them and will have already rejected you. If UCAS Track shows that you have not been successful, then there isn't much you can do to get a place in that course at that university. If you've met the conditions of your insurance offer, then a similar process will occur and your place will be confirmed at that university. Alternatively, if you don't get the exam grades you hoped for and your place is not confirmed, you will automatically be able to use UCAS Clearing, unless you are offered an alternative course. Clearing runs from early July and helps students without a confirmed place, or who have applied after the 30th of June, to find courses where there are still places available once they've received their results. Alright, now what if you did brilliantly and exceed your firm offer? If you've met and exceeded the conditions of your firm offer, you might consider using UCAS Adjustment, which you can register for online via UCAS Track. UCAS Adjustment allows you to be considered for courses that you haven't applied to but your grades mean that you are now eligible for. This is completely optional, so if you're happy with your firm choice, there's no need to go through this. You'll have 5 calendar days to research and secure an alternative course using UCAS Adjustment. Your eligibility will be confirmed by the university you applied to adjust to. While you're in the adjustment process, your original firm choice will be held for you, so don't worry if you don't find anything you like within the 5-day time frame. Now, what if you meet your insurance offer? If a university does not confirm a firmly accepted offer, you may meet the conditions of your insurance choice, in which case you are committed to take up that place. This is a similar situation to meeting your firm offer. You don't really need to do anything. Just wait for your acceptance letter to come through the post. Again, UCAS Track may take a while to update your status, so you can phone the university to check your confirmation if this hasn't happened by Monday. One thing you will need to do in the near future is to use the change of circumstances form for your student loan, but it's best to wait for your acceptance letter before doing this. Now, what if you've missed your insurance offer? This is similar to missing your firm offer in that there is a chance that you've still been accepted onto the course with lower grades. So again, the first thing to do is to check UCAS Track and see if they've accepted you anyway. If not, ring the university and ask for their decision. If they accept you, then wonderful. Otherwise, you'll enter the clearing process, which you can use to find an alternative course if you'd still like to go to university and are flexible about the university or the course you wish to study. It's also possible that you've been accepted onto another course. If you don't meet the conditions of your offer, a university may offer a place on an alternative basis to your original choice. For example, a different course, a deferred entry, or a different point of entry. For example, a year 0 foundation year instead of a year 1 of a degree course. If this is the case, you will see UCC on your UCAS track page, meaning Unconditional Changed Course, along with the new course code. You will then have a period of 5 days to decide whether to accept this change of course. You'll receive a letter from UCAS that will explain your options to you, although you can still accept or decline the offer on UCAS track before you receive the letter. If you choose to decline the offer of an alternative course, you'll either go to your insurance offer or into clearing. Finally, you might not be holding any offers. As we've discussed, even if you don't meet the conditions of either your firm or insurance choice, you might still have your place confirmed, and this is at the discretion of the university and will depend on a number of factors. If after the results have been published no decision has been made, it's often worth calling the university to talk to them about your application. If you don't have either your firm or insurance place confirmed, you'll automatically be able to use clearing. So let's talk a little more about clearing. If you're flexible about where and what you want to study, you have a fair chance of finding a place on a suitable course. You also need to be available in person to deal with admissions tutors and make decisions. You can apply for any course that has places left, and you don't have to keep to the same subjects that you first applied for. You'll be eligible to go through clearing if one of the following situations applies. You're not holding any offers and you have not withdrawn from the UCAS scheme. Your offers have not been confirmed because you have not met the conditions, or you declined or have not replied to a confirmed offer of a changed course, and as a result, hold no offers. So, good luck for Results Day. Do look at our accompanying blog post for more details on what to expect on Results Day, and you might also like to look at our UCAS video, which covers UCAS Extra, Clearing, and Adjustment.